Hi, my name is Adam Haverilla and welcome to December's Flowers What's Next. We are going to take some simple cylinder vases and enhance them with these gorgeous cinnamon sticks and a ribbon to create the best floral experience for December. Let's get started with our vessel decor. What we're going to do is create these vessels with a cute little cinnamon sticks with a ribbon wrap, super easy. The only thing I'm going to tell you, it doesn't matter how wide, how tall, how short you do, but we don't want a curved vessel because we want the cinnamon sticks to be flush up against the vase. And if you did a curved vase, then it would wibble and wobble. So just as long as it's straight up, you're good. Take a rubber band around your vase that you want to use. Simple, easy. And then all you're going to do is slide your cinnamon sticks in. And you're going to wrap it all the way around the vase. So there we have it. We have the cinnamon sticks wrapped around the vase. Do you see how these are staggered up and down? You could do that as well if you want some higher, lower, whatever you want to do. And then you just take your ribbon and you wrap it around where the rubber band is. Tie it off. Really get a good double knot on there. So all we're going to do is we tied it around. Now we're just going to cut some streamers off. I am not doing a bow. I am not a bow person, but if you want to put a bow on there, feel free. I do love a double satin, but whatever holiday ribbon you want, you can use. I'm choosing a white ribbon. That way, when the flowers of this month expire, you can keep the container, and next month you can add whatever color flowers you want. We have already mixed in our flower food, so we just put it in, and this is our vessels. All right, our flowers are separated. We are ready to go. And I just want to call out, look how gorgeous this lily is. So I picked up this bouquet 2 days ago to make sure that the lily opened up beautifully, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So always make sure we take the foliage off of the stem. We don't want any foliage in the water. And let's cut this, put it right into the top of the taller vase. And again, you could do small vases, 5 small vases, 1 large vase. It's really about the cinnamon stick action. Then we have a spray rose that I'm going to put right beside that. Let's take one of, you know what, let's do our Austrameria. Again, look at how gorgeous that opened. When you first get in the store, it may not be open this much, but isn't it beautiful when it's that open? We're going to put one in each of these satellites. And then a dianthus. This is actually in the carnation family. A lot of people don't know that. Another one on this side. And we'll do one in the top. Again, making sure the foliage is all off so we don't want bacteria growing in the water. We have 1 leucadendron. Let's put that right up top with another Austrameria. So if you see it, I have flowers all the way around. Beautiful centerpiece. Then we have our carnations, this gorgeous red for Christmas time. We'll do one coming out the top here. And our last spray rose, I am going to cut it into 2 pieces. So each one of my satellites can have one of the spray roses. And there we have it. How easy was that? Really, it's about the cinnamon stick magic, making our bouquet look stunning. Again, love the cinnamon stick, natural, and it smells really good. You're gonna find out in your house. This could go on your dining room table. You can put them in different rooms throughout your house. But either way, make sure you enjoy this holiday season. And remember, like and subscribe, and we will see you in January with a whole new lineup for you.